Hey everyone, I'm Peter from the Kixie sales team. Today I'm going to show you how to update your pipeline stages in GoHighLevel based on Kixie call outcomes. Think, log a call outcome, instantly move a deal, fire off a text, send an email template, whatever action you want, fully automated. Let's jump into it. Okay, first what we want to do is access our automations tab in GoHighLevel where we want to create a new workflow from scratch. Once we log into this workflow, we're going to add a trigger. This trigger is going to be note added. The reason it's note added is whenever Kixie logs a call outcome back to a contact record in GoHighLevel, it logs it as a note. So therefore, when a note is added, it will recognize that the note is added from Kixie. And ultimately, I'm going to show you an if-else branch that is going to branch out the different call outcome that is logged, triggering an update on an opportunity and all the other automations you want to add. So when we save this trigger, we're going to add an actual action step. This action step is going to be an if-else branch. Reason being, these different branches are gonna be the names of your call outcomes. So let's say I have a call outcome of interested. When you log the call outcome interested, we want the opportunity stage go from sign up or marketing qualified lead to reached out, connected, deal won, deal lost, and other outcomes that you do have. So when we log interested, what we're gonna do is look for a note description, contains, and then the exact spelling and capitalization as the outcome in Kixie. If we have multiple call outcomes, we're gonna add another branch. Let's call this branch not interested. We're gonna do the same note description. We're gonna contain the exact spelling and capitalization and spacing as our call outcome in Kixie. Let's say we wanna add another one, and another one, and another one. You can add as many branches as you'd like that have all of the outcomes that you wanna log, triggering one of these automations. And after you've built these if-else statements for interested, not interested, and again, any other call outcome that you have built, we can start adding other action steps. So under interested, I want this to update an opportunity stage or deal stage. So we're gonna update an opportunity into which you can select your sales pipeline, your pipeline stage, the opportunity name, source, value, and for whatever works for your business. We can save that action. And let's say for not interested, we want to add another outcome or an action. Now I'm going to show you how to add another call outcome branch to trigger another custom action. This does not have to be updating opportunities in GoHighLevel. This can be sending an email, shooting off a text message. Let's get into it. So below, I'm going to add another branch to my condition. This one is going to be, let's just call it send email. We're gonna do the same as above, where we add a note description. We're gonna select the contains, and then the input is going to be send email. Again, the exact spelling and spacing, capitalization as the call outcome as you have it in Kixie. Let's save that as it adds another branch. Now down below, I'm going to send an email. You can customize these templates based on the outcome itself. Now that we built the send email call branch in this GoHighLevel workflow, and then we've added a send email call outcome in Kixie, we can add an action step to where we can add an action for a send email. This email you can customize right in this workflow. You can import or fully customize contact fields, other information, and then save this action. Now that you guys know how to update an opportunity stage in GoHighLevel based on a Kixie call outcome, you can add other action steps to the call outcomes in the other branches that you built in GoHighLevel, like sending an email, shooting off a text message. The world's really your oyster. Hope this helped your guys' daily workflows and automations in GoHighLevel. Let us know in the comments what other automations you want to see. Have a great day.